In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove links in Google Docs. If you want to make your document more useful and easier to navigate, adding links is a great skill to know. Links can direct readers to websites, files, or other helpful resources, and removing them is just as simple when you no longer need them. To get started, go to your Google Doc. Open the document where you want to add a hyperlink. Make sure you're in the right place in the document before continuing, so the link goes exactly where you want it. Next, click on Insert in the top menu. This is where Google Docs keeps a variety of tools for adding content to your document, including links. Once the menu opens, click on Link. This will bring up the link tool where you can create a new hyperlink. Now click on the text field and add your text. This is the visible wording that people will click on in your document. It's a good idea to make this text clear and descriptive so readers know where the link will take them. After that, click into the field that says search or paste a link. This is where you'll enter the web address or destination for the hyperlink. If you already have the link copied, simply paste it here. If not, you can type it in carefully. Make sure the link is correct before applying it, because even a small mistake can send readers to the wrong page. Once everything looks right, click on Apply. As soon as you do that, the text in your document will become hyperlinked. In most cases, you'll notice the text changes appearance, usually becoming blue and underlined, which lets you know the link has been added successfully. Now, if you want to remove a link, the process is very quick. Click on the hyperlinked text in your document. This will open the small link options box so you can manage that hyperlink. Then click on the remove link icon on the right side. This will remove the hyperlink from the text while keeping the text itself in your document. That means you don't have to retype anything. You're only removing the clickable link, and that's it. You now know how to add a link and remove a link in Google Docs. This is a simple feature, but it can make your documents look more professional and much more helpful for anyone reading them.